how to create Google Form on Android from Builder Guides. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can create that. So for that we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. You guys can use any type of browser. Here simply search for Google Form. So I'll simply search for Google Form. Once we search for that, here you guys will simply see Google Form sign in. So simply click here. Now we will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will simply click on sign in. So simply click on sign in. After sign in, you guys will see that type of interface. So in form name, you guys can it will say untitled form. Here you guys can write form name. After that, you guys will see first question. Also, you guys will see options. So if you want to add options, etc, it's upon you. Once you do that, for example, I write what is your name, after that options, then after that you guys can see other things. So the question is how we can add more questions. So for that you guys see on downside plus icon, simply click on that. Once we click on that, we have created our next question. So in question you guys can see write question. After that multiple choice, like you guys can see write in option A like whatever you want to give. After that add another option, then you can add it. And once you done with that, after that you guys simply click on that plus friend icon. Like on top side you guys can see arrow and men type like uh, dot or plus. So simply click here. Here you guys will wait for some seconds. So let's wait for 3 or 4 seconds. Now here you guys can see responder viewer. Also you guys can see editor viewer. So simply editor viewer you need to be unrestricted, and responder viewer you guys simply click on that, and you guys will simply click on anyone with link. After that click on done. Once we click on done, simply copy that link. Like you guys can see link option, and now click here publish. Now we will wait for some seconds. Now publish is done. Simply click again on publish. Now click again on that link. Like you guys can see copy responded link. Simply copy that link, and you guys can paste it with wherever you want to share. So that's how you guys can create Google Form on Android. Thanks for watching.